What's up, guys? Here at the shop again today. So let's see what we got going on and go from there. Got a beautiful 21 Lexus LS500. Customer came in, he seen my other video, wanted to get some ambient lighting done, so I'm gonna sit in the back seat here so I can kind of show you. You can get a broad overview. So we got it on red because the car is red, and that's what the customer wants. But just like the last one, the lights in the factory location. Also got the lights down here as well, so it definitely lights up the door panel very nicely. And again, this is going for like the OEM plus. You know, we didn't want a bunch of strips everywhere. We wanted to look about as factory as possible, but you know, add that little bit of customization. Same thing with the front doors. And I'll go there in a second to show you front doors. And then the dash, just like the last one, strip all the way across. The one thing we did a little different, we added the ambient lights not only in the front, but also in the rear. Again, this one is app controlled, so everything is customizable from, you know, the start up and shut down sequence to whatever color you want, or if you want a chasing pattern, you know, if you want it to kind of go crazy and move around a lot, you can get it to do that. What's nice about these, like I said, up in the factory location, so you don't see them at all. And the rear one, it's up inside the handle. Just like all the other ones, dash ones fit in really nice and flush. The one underneath is also actually flushed in. I don't know if you can see it. So I actually cut the plastic, flush mounted this one in there. Show you this side. These red ones with this kind of cream or peanut butter interior, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really liking it. Also, one thing I do a lot different than a lot of the other guys, again, we're not a wham bam shop here. All the modules are securely mounted inside. They are serviceable. If a technician needs to get in here, he can detach it, you know, plug and play just like the factory was. Door panel can come off if it had to be serviced, and you know, whatever. We don't have a bunch of wires just kind of going everywhere behind there. Also flushed in. So you guys seen a lot of my other ones, so I won't bore you to death, but I'm just showing you some options. If you have a Lexus LS500 and you want to get some ambient lighting, let me know. Love to take care of you. After doing a couple of these things, I got it down pat, so you'll be in good hands for sure. Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Till next time, see ya.